there's a twist in the supply chain story that involves M&A, and Frank Holland joins us now to explain that. Hi, Frank.
Hey, good morning, Morgan. It's all about M&A. ArcBest, let's look at this stock, almost tripling the S&P following the acquisition of a Midwest-based freight brokerage, expanding their capacity at a time when pricing is at an all-time high. Rates for trucking and rates for container shipping by rail, both increasing by more than 90% from 2019 levels. That has many logistics companies flush with cash and looking to increase their capacity. ArcBest CEO Judy McReynolds, she expects demand to remain elevated through 2022.
I mean, when you look at our balance sheet, we do have resources. Looking at capital allocation is what's the best return for our stakeholders, and that most certainly includes shareholders.
Top logistics companies seeing cash on hand increase sharply in 2021. That includes Knight-Swift and J.B. Hunt, the nation's largest trucker and container shipper, respectively. Look at the end. There's also a company called, or in the middle, I should say, a company called Hub Group. They saw their cash nearly double in its last quarter. And then they acquired a refrigerated trucking company. Since then, shares nearly doubling the S&P. Analysts from Evercore ISI say that's a trend that's likely to continue.
It's a function of the supply chain disruption. It's a function of that's leading to substantial cash flow generation and looking to deploy that capital. And it's looking to get deeper into the supply chain and diversifying your end market and in some cases regional exposure.
This week, a record 103 container ships were in the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach. And according to Evercore, even some of these container ship companies, they're eyeing acquisitions in the U.S. supply chain. So as this capacity crunch continues, could be a very interesting environment. Carl, back over to you.
All right, Frank, thanks so much. Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.